Hello students. In today's lecture we are going to understand second type of force, that is unbalanced force. In previous video you have learned about what are balanced forces. In this video we are going to understand what are unbalanced forces. I have taken the same example, that is a wooden block placed over a horizontal table and tied with two strings x and y in opposite direction. We are applying some external force in order to move the block by using these strings x and y. In previous case what we have done, we have applied equal forces in opposite direction so that there is no change in the state of the object. Now in this case we are going to consider a situation in which two opposite forces of different magnitudes pull the block. Okay, for example, let in the x string we are applying a force of 15 newton. Okay, while from y side or y string we are applying a force of 10 newton. Now you can understand this, that the magnitude of the force are different, they are not equal. X is 15 newton while y is 10 newton, and the direction are also opposite. In this case the block would begin to move in the direction of greater force. Okay, and now since the greater force is along x direction, so the block will start moving towards x direction. Thus the two forces are not balanced and the unbalanced force acts in the direction the block will move.